How to make a group chat on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you make a group chat on Discord. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Discord app with your account. After you open Discord, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on home. From the home section, at the bottom right, simply tap on plus icon or new message section. And from here tap on new group. From here select the member like at least 1 up to 10 member. Simply select them and tap on create at the top right. And after you tap on that, you'll be able to create a group chat on Discord, as well as you can add new member by tapping on the option add member. You can invite people by using invitation link that will expire in 24 hours. And from here you can make a group conversation, group call by using this group chat. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.